Okay, this video will help you access your science textbook online. We did this together in class today, but I know we had a rough time, so if you need to revisit this video to access it again in the future, it will be here for you. So I go to my single sign-on, which is my.hcsb.k12.fl.us, and I log into my single sign-on. On my single sign-on, I should have tiles. I can click at the bottom where it says applications, and you may even have two pages. It may say applications and applications 2. You're going to look for the McGraw-Hill Education tile. When you find it, you're going to click on that. And when you see it, it should take you to the Student Center that looks like this. Yours may have a different picture here in case this lesson is not the energy and motion lesson. It may load like this, and that's okay. So you can use this menu right here to move to and from the different sections of the book. And then there's some resources over here available to you. There's little video clips and some other things to look at and watch. To access your textbook, you're going to go up to the left-hand corner of the screen where it says Menu and click on Menu. Then you click on Resources. And notice that it doesn't have the ebook on this first page as it loads. So I'm going to change this to Energy and Motion and to Lesson 1, Types of Energy. Then I'm going to click on eBook. So I made sure I chose Energy and Motion in the top box, Lesson 1, Types of Energy in the bottom box, and then I can click on eBooks. Now I have access to the textbook. So I'm going to click on that and it opens in a new window. I can zoom in, I can have it fit to the window, and down here I need to zoom out or you're not going to be able to see it. So notice down here at the bottom where it says cover, I can highlight cover and replace it with the page number I want to go to. So today I want to go to page 104. So I'm going to type 104 where it says cover and I press enter, and then it takes me to those pages. And now I can navigate from one page to the next. I can have it read aloud to me if I click on the icon.
Types of energy. You can turn the lights off as you leave the classroom. You lift.
So if I want to listen to it be read to me, I can do that and navigate from one page to the next as I showed you by replacing it if you want to go to a different section. There's also tools up here available to you where you can highlight, you can make annotations and notes to yourself. Also notice here there's a table of contents. So if I wanted to go back to the table of contents of the book, I can click there. I can use it to navigate as well. So let's say I wanted to go read about the science and engineering process. I can click on it and it takes me to that section. Okay, so that is how we find and use our electronic science textbook.